Okay, let's begin with question 6. But then in the diagram below, M is the center of the circle having the equation layer x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y minus 8 all equals to 0. And the glama points now are R no N. And N mompega is the y-intercept of the circle. Aphinda be y-intercept here the tangent. And the tangent, the tangent is bahlangana la coordinates lika P. Basically, go to angle R, M, and U 90 degrees. Now, but as verse go to M will a point like 3 minus 1. Uma sinikeze kule format asisuse le equation ye circle sibeke kule format yakhona ethi x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared all equals to the radius squared. Ngoba M as a center ye circle is determined by a value a ne value ka b. So ukusuka la le format le ngiya kule format lela mele complete the square. Now let me complete the square. So I'm given the equation, this solution is 6.1. It's x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y minus 8 all equals to 0. Now again rearrange factorize by grouping the collector of number common fact isn't a finite. So you know x squared la into minus 6 ngimsonda zona x squared bese ngiza ngo y squared ngiphinde ngilandelise no 2y minus 8 ngimise ngakwa right hand side khona ngizokwazi ukuthola radius squared. Now when you complete the square you have the coefficient of x. Sorry, this is x, not x squared. You have the coefficient of x, or also have a coefficient y. So now let's have a coefficient of x. Bese ngiye squareisha, bese ngiye add kwa left hand side. Ngizobuyisela nje bakunjalo nje bakino x squared minus 6x. Ngithatha le number esiceleni kwa minus 6 njengoba injalo nesani yakhona divided by 2 all squared plus izok add. Uqaphele uma kade ku plus 6 la bengizothi plus 6 kuzongisiza mina ukuthi y ngithatha nesani yakhona. Now la no y squared plus 2y ngizothatha positive 2 ngimdivide ngo2 bese ngiyamsquareisha bese ngiyam-add ngakwa left. Ku right hand side ngizo-add yonke lento kade ngi-add ngakwa left hand side ukuze i-equation yami izobalansa. Whatever engikufakayo ngakwa left kumele ngifake ngokulingana nengaka right hand side esandleni sokudla. So asibhekeni isandla sokunxele. Njengamanje isandla sokunxele lento izonginikeza i-square of the binomial which will be x. Njengoba ngithi minus 6 divided by 2 i-answer minus 3 la ngaphakathi. So ngithatha lowo minus 3 njengoba enjalo lento iyi-square of the binomial. Kanjalo nala ku-y yonke lento izobe i-square of the binomial whereby will be given by y. The positive 2 divided by 2, positive 1 will be so the positive 1 la, basically it's all squared. Yonke lento izolingana nomba. Then you need to punch a calculator minus 6 all divided by 2 all squared plus into 2 over 2. We have found no 1 squared to 1, so 18 else. So I've got 18. Now therefore future my coordinates are M as I've said at the manually value laga A nega B. So la njengoba minus 3 x1 is positive 3, njengoba y plus 1 futhi y is equal to negative 1 futhi y coordinates u minus 1. Then says vezile ukuthi ama coordinates are M 3 nobani no minus 1. Question elandelayo it's determine the equation of M R. Nangu M, nangu R. U-M usunawo ama-coordinates akhona usunikeziwe. Noma ungakwazanga ukuyithola ama-coordinates, but you can do equation elandela which is 6.2 because utsheliwe ukuthi veza ama-coordinates a-M of 3 no minus. Usho ukuthi ama-coordinates a-M of 3 no minus 1. Now, uzokuthola kanjani okwe-equation? Since lo line wa-MR unqamula la kuma-y-axis, okusho ukuthi i-y-intercept lela u minus 4. sesiyazi ukuthi sesino negative 4 as you see i-value ka-c. Now only thing that I need is a gradient. Ama-coordinates are u-0 no minus 4. So 6.2 ama-coordinates are u-0 no negative 4. Ama-coordinates m siwatholile nanka la ngaphezulu u-3 no minus 1. So I can name la ngithi x1, la ngithi y1, la ngithi x2, la y2, just to find the gradient ka rm noma ka mr. So equation needs to change in y over changing x, then y2 amuba so u minus 1, y1 nato negative 4, bisala lo minus lo we formula, x2 u3, x1 u0, then u minus 1 positive negative 1 plus 4 will give me 3. 3 divided by 3 answer yami positive 1. Then therefore the equation abayifunayo u-m wakho u-positive 1 and u-c stay value ka-c wa-intercept u minus 4, then minus 4 yona equation for u-mr. Then u-6.3 bathi veza ukuthi ama-coordinates bathi veza ukuthi u-q lo oyi-y coordinates lika-n ulingana no-2 minus p. And you were told ukuthi u-rm is not perpendicular as such, but it's perpendicular because bathi la i-angle ka-rmn u90 usho ukuthi lama lines lawo are perpendicular. Le radius le ka-rm is perpendicular to i-radius ka-mn ngoba la ku-90 degrees. Kube ngawona u-90 then bingeke below ma lines abe perpendicular. So rm no mn. For 6.3 sithi gradient ka rm moyi multiplier ne gradient ka mn kumele ikunikeze u-minus 1. Now remember, unawo ama-coordinates a-m, unawo ama-coordinates a-n. Ama-coordinates a-m nanka, ama-coordinates a-n bathe u-p noba no-q. Now i-gradient ka-mr nayisitholile u-1, sengifaka u-1 la times i-gradient ka-mn anginayo, but it's a change in y over changing x, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yonke lento manje i-times alama-gradient kumele nginikeze u-minus 1. Now 1 times look iyona lo change in y over change in x. U-y2 I can say u-q, so kuzoba u-q minus u-y1 ama-coordinates a-m, or uzoshintsha kuzoba u-minus 1. Ungaconfuse ukuthi la u-y2 kukuwena, mina bese ngishintshile la kube u-x1 no-y1, la kwaba u-x2 no-y2. Now u-x2 u-p and then x1 u3 equals to negative 1. Then negative times negative will give me q plus 1, and then cross multiply p times negative 1 will give me negative p. Negative 3 times negative 1 will give me a positive 3. Then bafuna q means is subject of the formula, so I will transpose the positive 1 to the right hand side. So la kuzoba no 3 minus 1 phuma u2 minus lo p. So usuvezile ukuthi uq lingana no 2 minus p. Then equation elandelayo isithi ke manje determine the values of p and q. Into kumele uyiqaphele ukuthi le equation le yesec le isinikwe yona ifana iyalingana nalo line lo ka mn kanjalo ne tangent ku coordinates lika n nelika r. So uma kule equation le yesec ngizofaka ukuthi uma ngabe u-x o-p u-y o-q ngabe kuzomnikezani khona. So now nginayo vele la ngayithatha le equation ethi x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y minus 8 konke kunikeza u0, or ungathatha le bekade sesimplifyile ethi x minus 3 all squared kanjalo. So i-choice yakho. Okay, so it's for 6.4. So ibithi x minus 3 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared yonke lana isithilingana nobani no 18. Now what I will do, la khona khona x so p sengifaka bani mina lana faku p minus 3 all squared plus la khona khona y q plus 1 all squared is equals to 18. Engwenzile la ngenza substitution i-coordinates lika n ilo p nobani no q kule equation yani yesec. Now again vule lama noma ngangavula ama brackets because vele sengiyazi la ngaphezulu ukuthi q lingana no 2 minus p. Futhi la khona khona q ngingafaka u2 minus p. Then mangivula ama brackets la izoba no p squared minus 6p plus 9. La ngaphakathi uq wami sengifaka bala u2 minus p plus 1 all squared is equals to 18. Thathulani kulethe ngapha awulevu p squared minus 6p. And then la sinento sifana no 3 minus p. And then u3 squared ubani u9. 3 times negative x times negative p would give minus 3 minus 3 minus 6p. Negative p squared, negative p all squared would give me positive p squared equals to 18. Sorry, long term minus 9 minus 9. Should man tata no 9 lumletha ngapha kuzophinde kube umunye minus 9 then ngisala no 0. And then p plus p uzonikeza u2p squared minus 6 minus 6 minus 12p. La answer yami seku 0. And then common factor like u2p la kusala p la kusala minus 6 konke kulingana no 0. It's either u2p ulingana no 0 noma up minus 6 alingane no 0. Okusho ukuthi up la ulingana no 0 or up alingane noba no 6. Asamsobheka ukuthi ngabe wona muphi p ofanele uba i-x coordinates lika n. Bashilo la bathi p angabo 0 nango futhi lo x coordinates lika n lo munye ongawona u0. So for p engimfunayo ulo 6 and ngeke ngithathe lo ulingana no 0. So now bese ngenza substitution ke manje. Bathe lapha ya uq ulingana no 2 minus p. So up wami sengiyazi ukuthi uba u6. So sengithola uq wami ubani u-minus 4. So equation was asking ama values p no q. P wakho u6, uq wakho u-minus 4. Siqhubeke. Question esilandela isithi determine the equation of the circle having having a center o and adlule kwi-coordinates lika n. But asithola i-equation ye-circle entsha uma ngabe i-center yakho ila kwi-point of origin. Mayihamba izothinta i-circumference yakho izothinta i-coordinates lika n. Okusho ukuthi from the point of origin ngiya kwi-coordinates lika n, that will give me i-radius. Okay, so kahle kahle equation ye-circle i-center yakho uma ngabe ikwi-point of origin ithini equation yakho. This is 6 point I think it's 6.5. yeah, 6.5. It's x squared plus y squared konke kuzolingana nobani le radius squared. Uyamazi p, uyamazi q. P wakho 6, so moku 6 squared plus minus 4 all squared izothola radius squared. So asenze ni share calculator, all you have is 6 squared plus into negative 4 all squared. The answer yami it's 52. So now uma ku 52 radius squared yami. So radius squared is equals to 52. Bafuna lana bafuna equation. Bafuna equation ye-circle ene center ka o or ene center point of origin. Shuthi zothi x squared plus y squared is equals to 52. ungamsaqala phansi ufake i-square root la uthi ufuna i-square root wena sika-52 ufuna i-radius ngoba uma usufika la sophinde sisuke i-square root sisuse ilo 2 la phezulu e-exponent kwe-radius because i-circle ino-radius square. Then for 6.6 equation yakhona ifunani-ke njengamanje isithi let's calculate the area of the circle centered at n. Now i-equation so na i-circle abakhuluma ngayo i-center yakhona un bafuna sithole i-area yala, so i-area of the circle it's pi r squared. So i-area ye-circle it's pi r squared. Now i-radius squared ibuba kule circle le besikhuluma ngayo vele le original i-radius squared u18, so usufaka bani lapho ku-radius squared u18 ungafaki u-square root of 18. Uma ufaka u-square root of 18 kuzomele uphinde ufake ama-squared brackets because usukhuluma nge-radius. So actually i-area yakhona it's 18 pi square units, which is approximately, if we fill in decimal form, so u18 pi uyafana nobani no 56,55 56,55 square units. Then the last question umbuzo wokugcina uthi asithole i-ratio in a simplest form for UNP over UMP. Now, uma singabheka la na UNP kusuka la kuzila over UMP. Low radius lay perpendicular to this radius, and low radius is perpendicular to a tangent. Now low radius is perpendicular to a tangent. Sum of angles in a quad will give me what 360 should ngala mele kubo 90 90 90 90 90. Now uma befuna i-ratio yalo over UMP okusho ukuthi uMN uzolingana no-NP aphinde alingane nalo because lento is-square lento, so kahle kahle ngine-square because lo line uyalingana nalo line kanti futhi ba-perpendicular wonke la ma-angle awo-90 futhi square kahle kahle lezi. So le quad le so identify ngokuthi square futhi uMN uyalingana no-NP yokuqala. So uMN ulingana no-NP ngoba their quadrilateral yini i-square. Now uMN ube i-radius, i-radius ibu square root of 18, so should uMP kahle kahle i-radius yala ele-circle sithole ukuthi square root of 18, should nala kuzoba square root of 18, nala square root of 18, nala root 18, should yuba le distance yala. Ngingasebenzisa i-Pythagoras theorem ngoba la kubani u-90 uthole u-MP ukuthi uba. Okay, so siyazi ukuthi u-NP into yokuqala u-square root of 18, then therefore ukuthola u-MN u-MP ukuthi NP squared is equals to u-M oyi-center N squared plus u-NP squared, futhi u-MP squared ulingana noba u-MN, you know, to square root of 18 all squared, kanjalo no-NP square root of 18 all squared, then which means u-MP squared ulingana noba no 18 plus 18 ozonginikeza bani 18 plus 18 unginikeza 36, futhi u-MP uzolingana no square root of 36, which will give me 6 units. Uma usuwazi ukuthi u-MP uba, then le ratio abayifunayo bafuna i-ratio ka-NP over u-MP. U-NP sishilo sathi u-square root sika-18, u-MP samthola ukuthi ubani u-6, so you can use the calculator ukuthi square root sika-18 over 6, i-answer yakho root 2 over 2, answer yakho root 2 over 2. Or you can even rationalize the numerator la times the yonke indawo root 2 over root 2. Then root 2 times root 2 will give me 2 over 2 times root 2, so root 2. Then the answer, cancel and no 1 over root 2. So the answer is no million.